Hi guys, welcome back to Shirley's Kitchen. Today we are making kremas. So here's what you're gonna need for this easy, fast kremas recipe. You are going to need some evaporated milk, some sweetened condensed milk, and also you're going to need the juice of the lime and the zest of the lime. You're going to need some coconut cream. Make sure it's coconut cream and not coconut milk. You're going to need some pure vanilla extract. You are also going to need some rum babankou. You can get this from any liquor store, the 4-star and the 5-star. You can get from any liquor store. You don't have to have it imported from Haiti. You're also going to need some pure almond extract, cinnamon sticks, star anise, and nutmeg. And you're also going to need a clear glass container to put your kremas when you are done. First, we're going to put our milk into this saucepan right here, guys. We're going to put it on medium. And then we're going to add some star anise, so 2 cinnamon sticks and about 2 of your star anise. Make sure you rinse them before adding them. You want your milk to come to a boil, but not to actually boil over and get too hard. So make sure you keep an eye on that. And then you put it to the side so it can go ahead and cool down. So you don't want to boil it too much, just a little bit. So once your milk has boiled, it's right here, it's cooled down. Now I'm gonna take my milk, I'm gonna add it to my blender. And then we are going to add 1 cup of the rum babankou. You can add more or less depending on how much alcohol you want in it. Then we're going to add the lime juice and then the nutmeg. You're going to go ahead and grate the nutmeg, freshly grated nutmeg, add it in there. Freshly grated zest of the lime, you're going to go ahead and add it in there. And then you're going to add your almond extract. And then you're going to add your vanilla extract. And then your sweetened condensed milk. Make sure you get as much out of that can as you possibly can. If you have to use a spoon to scoop it out, make sure you do that. And then you're going to go ahead and add your coconut cream. Again, make sure it's not coconut milk. I don't want you guys to make that mistake. So you add all that in there. You get as much of it out as possible. And then you're going to go ahead and blend everything up. Guys, that was so easy. It's not hard at all. You just blend that up. I'm going to go ahead and start it on low, and eventually go to medium and then to high. Just blend it up as much as you can. Once you blend it up, guys, it's going to be a little watery in the beginning, but the more that it stays in that glass container and the longer it stays in the fridge, or you can even leave it outside if you don't like it cold. That's why you're adding the lime juice, because that is what is going to harden it up over time. So you don't want to add too much, but you don't want to add too little of it. Now, once your mixture is done mixing up, you could go ahead and take a passoire, they call it in Haitian Creole, and then you can pass it to kind of get rid of some of the lime zest and the chunky residue. But I don't do that because I just like my kremas like that. But it's up to you. You can go ahead and put it in, I think it's called a colander in English. So then, guys, I'm just going to add it to my glass container, And I'm going to use this funnel right here that you can buy 3 of them at Walmart for, I think, less than $5. So I'm just using that to make sure everything gets through and I don't lose any of my cremas. And guys, that's it. That is your cremas recipe. It doesn't take too long. It doesn't take a lot of stuff. Now, there are other ways to make the cremas with actual coconuts and grating the coconuts and, you know, squeezing the milk out of the coconuts. But look, that's what the can of cream coconut is for. If you guys want to see the true blue Haitian recipe for cremas, let me know and I will do another video. Guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.